Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Beginner's Guide to Feeding Your Ball Python, Mouse Feeding Tutorial. Introduction. Ball pythons are popular pet snakes known for their docile nature and relatively easy care requirements. One crucial aspect of caring for a ball python is ensuring they are fed properly. In the wild, ball pythons primarily eat small mammals like mice and rats. As a snake owner, understanding how to feed your ball python is essential for their health and well-being. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know about feeding your ball python with mice, including preparation, safety, and feeding techniques. Materials needed. Step 1. Thawing the mouse. Before feeding your ball python, you'll need to thaw the frozen mouse. Thawing the mouse properly is crucial to ensure it's safe for your snake to consume. Follow these steps. Step 2. Preparing the feeding area. Choose a quiet and stress-free location to feed your ball python. Avoid handling or disturbing your snake too much before feeding to prevent stress. Place your snake in a separate feeding container or enclosure to associate it with feeding time. Step 3. Handling the mouse. Using tongs or forceps, carefully pick up the thawed mouse by its tail. Avoid using your hands directly, as this can transfer unwanted scents or oils onto the mouse, potentially causing your snake to reject it. Step 4. Offering the mouse to your ball python. Approach your ball python's enclosure slowly and gently dangle the mouse in front of your snake using the tongs. Allow your snake to strike and constrict the mouse naturally. Avoid forcing the mouse into your snake's mouth, let them initiate the feeding process. Step 5. Observing the feeding. Once your ball python has captured the mouse, step back and give them space to consume their meal in peace. It's essential not to disturb your snake during feeding to prevent regurgitation, a potentially harmful behavior. Step 6. Post-feeding care. After your ball python has finished eating, remove any uneaten portions of the mouse from their enclosure. Clean the feeding container and wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water to prevent the spread of bacteria. Code example. Conclusion. Feeding your ball python with a mouse is a straightforward process, but it requires proper preparation and technique to ensure your snake's health and safety. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and providing appropriate care, you can keep your ball python happy and healthy for years to come. Remember to always supervise feeding sessions and consult a veterinarian if you have any concerns about your snake's feeding behavior or health. ChatGPT